Good day, everybody. We're at Andy and Kwan's house outside Surin, Thailand, and I'm going to share a little bit of their property. It's a beautiful place, and I think everybody will enjoy seeing it. Got a nice gated area, easy access to get in, beautiful fence. Kwan very happy with her project. She's got trees everywhere, bananas growing, and mango and papaya. And she's got a little green thumb going. You'll see in the drone video the overhead view of their property. Yeah, it's a very nice home, really nice place. I like to share all my friends' properties as long as they don't shoot me as I'm filming their stuff. Very nice. The sun again isn't helping me. It's kind of cool though, look at all the wood. Andy just added this piece here, which is his living room now, and he's got his nice recliners inside with his TV room, air conditioned. And it's also very nice actually sitting out here under the shade. Put in a nice parking area back here, and he's got an outdoor toilet for the guests when they're around. Do a lot of visiting outside. See, he's got his own water system here and filtration going into the house. And right there on the lower part is Kwan's outdoor kitchen, and the bedrooms are upstairs there. Coconut. And this is their cool little spot where they could come and hang out under the shade when they were building the house. And looking back towards the back here. Look at Mr. Frog. He's here checking us out. I just do a frog. That's a frog. Okay, it's a T-O-A-D, toad. This is Kwan's pet.
Not frog.
I got to share the boys here. We've seen some action from these guys over the last couple of months. They stay busy.
beautiful fish banana mango papaya
Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed taking a tour around Andy and Kwan's place. We didn't invade their privacy by going inside, but this is a really nice place. Hope you enjoyed watching it. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. We are out.